What is time management? Time management is a process where planning and exercising is done in a more conscious control by analyzing and managing the overall time spent on the specific activities to increase the effectiveness, efficiency, and the productivity of the things we do. Guys, today I want to share a time management method for setting priorities which I have been using for years for setting priorities, called the Covey method. The Covey method is a powerful priority setting technique that most of the famous people use it every day. This is because of its simplicity and efficiency, well implementation. So let's know how does it work. You start with the list of every task you have to do for the day. We analyze all tasks according to their importance and put it on paper. And once you have the list of all tasks, we start implementing the Covey method. Now prioritize all the tasks according to 4 categories. Here all the urgent and the important tasks fall under the first category, that is A. Here all the important tasks but not urgent fall under the second category, that is B. Here all urgent but not important tasks fall under the third category, that is C. Here neither urgent or important tasks fall under the fourth category, that is D. Guys, use this method to initially organize your list and then reassess all throughout the day and then make the readjustments as and when the circumstances prevailed. And as the day starts and as the new tasks come in, you may reorder the tasks reprioritized as and when needed. Like this, you may also move some tasks to another day according to the task necessity by reprioritizing them as and when needed. Finally, this method will help you maintain focus by preventing you being overwhelmed by unnecessary tasks. And well guys, thanks for watching this video until the end.